Unlocking the secrets to mortgage success is a journey filled with opportunities to enhance your financial standing and pave the way for owning your dream home. By delving into 3 pivotal strategies, you can not only skyrocket your credit score but also set the stage for a seamless transition into homeownership. Let's start by exploring the realm of smart spending habits. Every financial decision you make, from small everyday purchases to larger investments, contributes to your overall financial health. By honing in on smart spending practices, such as distinguishing between wants and needs, implementing effective budgeting techniques, and prioritizing savings, you can effectively manage your finances and bolster your credit score. Remember, it's not just about the immediate goal of purchasing a house, it's about cultivating sustainable financial habits that will serve you well in the long run. Next, let's uncover the realm of credit-boosting hacks. Think of these as ingenious strategies designed to give your credit score an impressive boost. From optimizing your credit card utilization ratio to diversifying your credit mix and strategically timing credit inquiries, there are numerous actionable steps you can take to elevate your creditworthiness. By incorporating these hacks into your financial repertoire, you'll not only see tangible improvements in your credit score but also position yourself as a strong and reliable candidate in the eyes of lenders. Finally, let's delve into the importance of strategic planning on the path to homeownership. Acquiring a mortgage is a significant financial undertaking that requires careful consideration and planning. By crafting a comprehensive strategy tailored to your unique circumstances and goals, you can navigate the complexities of the mortgage application process with confidence and ease. This entails setting clear objectives, assessing your financial capabilities, and devising a timeline that aligns with your homeownership aspirations. With a well-defined plan in place, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities as you embark on your journey towards homeownership. In conclusion, unlocking the secrets behind mortgage success involves harnessing the power of smart spending habits, credit-boosting hacks, and strategic planning. By mastering these essential strategies, you can not only enhance your creditworthiness but also position yourself for success in the competitive world of real estate. Are you ready to take the first step towards turning your homeownership dreams into reality? Let's embark on this transformative journey together and make your dream home a tangible and achievable goal. Don't wait any longer, reach out today and let's make your homeownership dreams a reality. Please don't forget to comment to let me know how my channel is doing. Like, share and please subscribe and hit the bell.